Welcome to CIU's School of Science and Engineering, where innovation meets excellence. Discover a world of opportunities with our programs in computer science, electrical and electronic engineering, and specialized tracks for diploma holders. Learn from faculty who bring expertise and a passion for education to every classroom. Gain hands-on experience with cutting-edge equipment in our advanced laboratories. Experience the vibrant energy of campus life with exciting festivals and events. Showcase your talents in skill competitions designed to prepare you for the future. Real-world experience is integral to our programs, fostering practical growth and insight. Educational tours bridge classroom learning with real-world industry insights, offering students invaluable hands-on experience. Engage with industry leaders and innovators through our insightful seminars. Take the next step toward a brighter future. Apply now for the spring semester 2025.